Good day and welcome everyone. This is Marlena Burton, your host for the call. So this is going to be short and sweet because success is a vibration. It's energy. So if you bring the right energy of belief, you can succeed with anything that you put your mind to. So once again, this is your host Marlena Burton. Super simple, full-time freedom team, 1K a day plan of action. So do you think it's possible for you to earn 1K a day and beyond? Is that possible for you on a scale of 0 with no belief to 10? Yes, it's already done. Where are you on that scale? And then if you knew you couldn't fail, what 5 people would you empower today or in the next 72 hours? So guys, anything is truly possible if you believe, okay? There is only one thing standing between you and you living your dreams, and that's the thief of unbelief. So we have multiple income streams, and we have 2 ways to earn a potential 1K a day. Okay, it's this simple. If you activate your savings membership for $20 or $21.95, that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to sponsor 5 grateful people your first 72 hours. We're going to get in, get this done, and not play around with it. And then your 5 duplicate steps 1 and 2 for 7 to 10 levels. See, we're not doing this all by ourselves. It's a team effort. So, if you could send a simple invite such as, if I could show you a money-making video, would you take a few minutes to view it and just let me know what you think? Is that simple or what? Everybody can do that. Anybody can do it. Okay? That's our simple plan. And then I'm going to give you a 6-figure plan of action after you find your 5 people. So let's connect. My number 618-223-6006. Or you can go to my website, 1111wealth.weebly.com. Guys, don't judge this until you look at it. And then I think you'll see that it's actually possible. Guys, networking is super simple. I've succeeded just sharing a video. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. We work together as a team. Wonderful people to connect with. Guys, we don't know what you're going to do with this system or any of these systems, so there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. You create your own positive or negative financial reality. I know that to be true because I changed my mind. One day I was broke. I was down to $5. Crossing the railroad tracks on my way to Murfreesboro. And I looked to the heavens and I said, this can't be my great big God's fault. Must be my fault. I took personal responsibility and changed my mind. And in 2 weeks, guys, a network marketing business crossed my path. Now, I had the opportunity to say yay or nay. Thank God I said yay. My entire life has changed. So, if you want to work the 40-40-40 plan, that's your business. If you want to leverage $20 and help a few people along the way and achieve full-time freedom, that's my business. So, if you're open-minded to living your dreams and earning 1K a day and beyond, let's connect. You can go to 1111wealth.weebly.com. Or if you want to see all of our income streams, you can go to automaticbuilder.com/say yes now. So let's keep it super simple. Let's have a lot of fun. Just share a video, guys. That's all we have to do. All right. Thank you for your time. God's best to you, and I'll see you on the inside.